cinnamon bun. No.
Cinnamon rolls.
Cinnamon rolls. Okay.
Try twisting it the other way.
I can't.
No, the other way.
I was.
Take the top and the bottom and like twist. You have to like have a tight grip on it. Bang it on something.
No, I don't want him to smush.
It's not gonna smush, it's gonna pop it open, dummy.
I don't want it to smush.
Don't do it, you're gonna stab a hole in it.
I'm open.
Haley, you are so ghetto.
I don't care what my cinnamon bun will be. Do you need help or not? No, I got it. Maybe.
Let me see it.
I can't open them.
Yeah, and you thought it was me.
Guess it should.
Have Ash try.
You know damn well shit.
I can get it.
Don't.
Bring it here.
Mom.
I got it, mother. All on my table.
No, it wasn't your table.
Chair.
No, it was the floor.
Mommy, it was the table.
Ashley, why do you gotta be a tattletale? Well, pick another job.